Okay guys, so we got this 2005 Hyundai Santa Fe, or 2004, sorry, and they said the turn signals when you put it on just go solid, like that. You can see, they just go solid. Try our hazard lights, they just go solid. So we're gonna go outside and look at this, and we'll bring up a wiring diagram. So we got that light on, we got that light on, okay. I checked fuses real quick, and that's where we got. Okay, so everything's like that. So let me bring up a diagram real quick. Okay, so here's our exterior lighting circuit. So we have this fuse 24 and fuse 15. See the 10 amps, okay? So let's follow this fuse 24. So that comes down, and this goes through our hazard light switch. So you can see that. So right now we should be on. So our power should be on our green and our blue with orange. And if you come down here, see this comes down into our I guess this junction connector right here. So we got this purple right here in the center, comes down to our right turn signal, and we got our green that comes into our left turn signal indicator, and they also feed into our tail lights here. So they're all on, so everything's good there. But if you look, we got this flasher unit right here. So power comes into our flasher unit. Oops. There we go. Okay, so you can see this blue one also comes back, comes over to our flasher unit, which is right there. So our flasher unit isn't being pulsed right now. Actually, I shouldn't say that. Our flasher unit is stuck on, because if you look, it back feeds up to blue and then goes to our other ones. Sorry. So it works backwards there. So what we need to do now is go after this flasher unit, I guess, which is, it says it's in the sides passenger compartment junction block on bracket. So we're gonna go after this. Okay, so I have our hazard lights are still on. Okay, so we're gonna come down here, and in here is our flasher unit right here. So we're gonna have to test this. Let's just give it a touch, see if it'll. So just touching it. Oh, there, I just heard a click. I think we got a bad flasher unit, guys. Look at that, when I touch it. Let's try our turn signals. Look, now our turn signal works. So we got a bad flasher unit right here, guys. Sorry about the chime, but this flasher unit's bad. I'm gonna go see if we can pick one up real quick. So we got the new flasher in. Let's see if it works. I'll turn my flash on then and show you guys, but let's see. Let's put a turn signal on. Look at that. The other one, look at that. Flashes out there. Let's put our hazard lights on. Maybe. Let me turn the flash on so I can see. There we go, look at that, shining on the truck. If we come down here, I'll show you guys what it was. So there's our new flasher. See it right there? Here's our old one. That's all it was right here. Bad flasher. So, hope you guys like it. Maybe you learned something. I know there wasn't a lot of diag in this one, just a quick one. Turn that back off. See you guys later.